Everyone, guys, imagine a simple, inexpensive food that could transform your digestion, supercharge your immunity, and even boost your mental health. It sounds too good to be true. So think again, this food exists and it's called sauerkraut. So in today's video, we will uncover what happens to your body when you eat sauerkraut regularly and share some creative tips to include it in your daily meals. So stick around to the end for a special bonus tip. So guys, let's first dive into the benefits. So first is it enhances gut health. Sauerkraut is a powerhouse of probiotics. This good bacteria help restore the balance in your gut microbiome. A healthy gut means smoother digestion, reduced bloating, and fewer issues like constipation or diarrhea. Studies even show that maintaining gut health can also reduce the inflammation in your body, preventing chronic diseases over time. Second benefit is it strengthens immunity. 70% of your immune system resides in your gut itself. By eating sauerkraut regularly, you are supporting the good bacteria that regulate your immune responses. It's also loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off infections and the illnesses like the common cold and flu. Third benefit is it improves its nutrient absorption. Fermentation not only preserves the cabbage but also breaks it down, making essential nutrients like vitamin K2, iron, and calcium easier for your body to get absorbed. Vitamin K2 in particular is vital for your heart health and bone health, and sauerkraut is one of the few plant-based sources of this nutrient. Fourth benefit is it supports heart health. Sauerkraut is naturally rich in fiber, which helps reduce the bad cholesterol levels. Plus, it contains compounds like antioxidants and probiotics that can help regulate the healthy blood pressure. So, over time, these benefits can lower your risk of heart disease. Fifth benefit is it boosts mental well being. Did you know there is a direct connection between your gut and your brain as well? The probiotics in sauerkraut can help reduce the stress and improve mood by supporting this gut brain axis. If you have been feeling anxious or down lately, adding sauerkraut to your diet could be a natural way to uplift your mood. Sixth is it helps manage the weight. Sauerkraut is low in calories but high in fiber, which makes you feeling full for longer and reduces unhealthy snacking. Including it in your meals can support the weight loss or maintenance without compromising on the taste or nutrients. Seventh is it enhances overall detoxification. So, fermented foods like sauerkraut aid the liver and kidneys in detoxifying your body. They help remove the harmful toxins from your body, leaving you feeling energized and refreshed throughout the day. In this long run, this detoxifying effect can improve your skin health and energy levels too. So we have seen the benefits. Now let's see the tips to incorporate sauerkraut into your daily diet. So first, you can use as a side dish. Add a scoop of sauerkraut to your main meals like grilled chicken, salmon, or even roasted vegetables. Second is in sandwiches or wraps. Layer sauerkraut into your sandwiches, wraps, or burgers for a tangy twist. Third is mix it with salads. You can toss sauerkraut into your greens or grain salads to add the crunch and probiotics. Fourth is top up with your breakfast. Add it to your scrambled eggs or avocado toast for a unique flavor profile. Fifth is include it in bowls. Build Buddha bowls with quinoa, roasted veggies, and sauerkraut for a nutrient dense meal. Sixth is on a snake platter. You can serve sauerkraut alongside cheese, crackers, or pickles for a probiotic rich snack. And seventh is blend it into smoothies. Yes, try adding a small amount of sauerkraut brine to your smoothies for a probiotic boost without altering the flavor too much. So, guys, that's it for today. We have seen 7 incredible ways sauerkraut can transform your health and simple tips to add it to your daily routine. Which benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear and share my feedback. Don't forget to like this video if you found this helpful, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.